You are too silly.
Harper. Sit in your chair. Can you sit in your chair?
Harper, will you sit in your chair for me?
Thank
sit in
you.
your chair?
What's Dad eating?
What do you want? What do you want? What do you want?
Tell him, French fry.
French fry?
Did you get it? Show Mama. Harper. Show Mama, did you get it? Ooh. Oh, you fell down. Say bye-bye. Love you. Bye. Bye. Can I have kisses? What do you want from Dad?
Give me sugar. Give me a kiss, and I'll give you one. You have to give me a kiss. Give me some. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Love you.
Hey,
What?
the box. What do you have? Did you get a French fry? Oh my goodness. Does that make you happy? Harper, that's enough.
No more.
Say bye-bye.
All done.
Harper, can you say bye-bye?
Tell Mommy bye-bye. No. That's enough.
Say bye-bye.